मिस्टर मानव राघवेंद्र, क्या समझ रखा है आपने हमको? बाराती का ढोल कि आप बजाते रहेंगे और हम डांस करते रहेंगे?
Great script. Obviously, my rapport with him, and I know when he narrates me a script, and he's gonna give the same result on screen, even better though, and a nice message. But that was not my exact reason to do the film. My reason to do the film because it's a great story. It's a great story about few characters and how they get together, and it's more of a it does not fall on the on the documentary side. He's got subtle message in it, but it's an entertaining film. It keeps you on the edge of the seat.
बेटा कल तुम चले जाओगे। मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा बाबूजी, मैं यहीं रहूंगा आपके साथ।
I don't know. I think you guys need to decide that when you see the film. We play characters, and I think chemistry works when characters work in film works. It's a character of a businessman, Manav, who actually eventually represents the youth and channelizes, and how he guides them to how to channelize their anger and use it in the right way, and they can be the change and they can bring the change in the country, because that's
Also, he's today's man. I mean, today the young Indian, want to be successful. Greed is good for them. He thinks that
greed is progress.
unless and until there is greed, there will not be any incentive, and profit, is not a bad word for him. So he represents, that mindset, which wants to surge ahead, which wants to succeed. And the clash is with, a character like Dwarka Anand, which is played by Mr. Bachchan, who is the upkeeper of the morality, who believes in giving back to the society what he has taken from the society.
Enough! नौकर हैं आप जनता के, और बदतमीजी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे हम। अब सिर्फ एक ही एक्शन होगा, पब्लिक का डायरेक्ट एक्शन।
So, and the constant duel that goes on in the mind of, the Indian middle class, especially the young India, which is kind of rising today. He represents that, and eventually how does he come to term with the reality of India and the reality of his own dreams and achievements.
इस व्यवस्था को इस भ्रष्ट हालात तक पहुंचाने में आप जैसे लोगों का भी बड़ा हाथ है मानव जी।
तुम जैसे सेल्फिश लोगों के लिए हर्ट वर्ड का कोई मतलब नहीं होता मानव। तुम्हारे बारे में सब कुछ जानते हुए भी मैंने आंख बंद करके तुम पर विश्वास किया।
I play a journalist in the movie. The way Prakashji's written the character is with a lot of dignity. She's someone who's extremely focused, determined, dedicated to her work. Somebody who has no time for love, who would do anything to put together a just story and bring it out. As she's actually, I think, the voice of this entire revolution. I was just nervous that I hope there are not too many dialogues and it's not like Shuddh Hindi that I have to really speak as a journalist. But
Yeah,
you really think I would ask that?
Every single day, she would come dressed, and is this what I'm going to be dressed as? And sort of I would cover her up more.
I don't know what they think I am, but I don't only do glamorous roles.
No, I mean,
And there's nothing wrong in being glamorous.
even if you're covered from head to toe, you're
I look
glamorous.
glamorous.
You know that.
आ चुके हैं सरकार। आज मर जाएंगे लेकिन लड़ेंगे जरूर।
Satyagraha, means a truth in which you believe and you insist to uphold that truth. The kind of the process of Satyagraha was begun by Mahatma Gandhi, and especially in my district in Champaran where he went to protest to the British against the forced indigo plantations. But Satyagraha eventually means non-violent protest, and this has been there. Like we won our independence with non-violent protest, and we won several battles, social battles. The farmers won battle, their kind of rights with protest. And as I was telling, like the story of protest, has finally emerged into the strength for the young India today, which is the largest population, which is a powerful population, which is now post-90s population, which is not dependent on the government but are self-reliant, and they have really done very hard work to be able to achieve what they have. And they believe in performance, and they believe that the government has to perform, the system has to perform, and if it doesn't perform, it should be kicked out.
अरे नेताजी, बिना हमें बताए कोई पार्टी हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में झंडा तक नहीं उठाता, और आप हैं कि सीधे हवाई जहाज से गांधी चौक पर लैंडिंग करेंगे और लगेंगे भाषण झाड़ने.
And that we are seeing time and again. It got reflected in a very big way when we saw the Delhi gang rape, when thousands of them kept coming every single day in this bitter cold to withstand the water cannons and the lathi charge by the police, and they forced the government to act. This population is now awake, talking to each other and reacting and demanding performance. Satyagraha is our dialogue with this young India.
छोटा बड़ा हर पार्टी का विधायक बहुत मेहनत, तिकड़म और इन्वेस्टमेंट करके चुनाव जीतता है. एक बेचारा 5 साल कुछ कमाएगा, और किसी को हक नहीं बनता है कि उसके इन्वेस्टमेंट को खतरे में डाले.
Everything that I say for our young India, I would hope and wish, and I would give my best wishes to my Arabic friends, and I'm sure that they will be able to see a great drama, a great film, a great entertainment in this film. Performances by Kareena, Ajay, Mr. Bachchan, Arjun Rampal, Manoj Bajpayee, Amrita Rao, and thousands of Bhopali, actors will definitely, show them a real entertaining piece of India.